Is Nashville traffic eating up a large percentage of your day? How much could you improve the quality of your life if your home was within a mile or two of all the places you went to every day? Whether it's taking the kids to school, the ball field, or even a quick run to the grocery store. Right here in the heart of Brentwood, Tennessee, this home is located within a mile or two of just about anything you could possibly need. Welcome to 8206 Brentview Court, Brentwood, Tennessee.